Hello, good evening.
Hello, mom. Good evening.
So
How
nice
are
to
you?
see you. I'm doing amazing. I'm meeting you after so long.
Yes. Do you recognize me?
Of course I do. I've had 3 sessions with you.
Okay, I thought you forget me.
No, I thought you forgot me. No.
Okay, I thought you forgot me.
Yes. And you
Ex-
have a different background today.
Yes, today.
See, I remember.
This is also an aesthetic background.
It is because it's all like
Yes,
neat and like good colors.
yes, yes.
Okay, very nice. You look so nice.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, very
Okay.
well. So tell me, what's your New Year resolution? What are the things you would like to work on this year?
Yes, this year I have to work on my English language, okay,
Mhm,
continuously. I
mhm,
don't want to stop this year.
mhm, mhm.
And that's why I subscribed Clapping Go again.
Okay, why you had unsubscribed?
No, 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 no. Because I earlier first time I subscribed it for 3 months. Okay. Then
Mm-mm.
after 3 months I didn't subscribe again. Then this year I failed. Okay, this year I failed. I have to subscribe again. So that's why. Because I want
Okay.
to work on my English continuously. I don't want to stop now.
Yeah, actually, taking a gap, even the amount that we have worked hard, we start losing out on it.
Exactly.
So,
It also vanished,
true, true,
right?
true. Okay, that's
Yes.
why I didn't have classes with you. Okay, very well. But
Yes.
welcome back, and we should have more sessions from now.
Definitely, Mom. Thank you so much. Actually, I was waiting for your session, but I didn't get it. So that's
uh,
why
I
this is
really,
our first session, right?
sorry.
This is our first session of my second subscription, right?
Yes, yes, we'll have many more. Don't worry. I'm
Yes, yes,
I'm
yes.
I'm really trying to take as much as I can, but that's all. I will
And
try to take.
Mom, do you remember your responsibility?
Off?
You
I
have to
forgot.
teach me new word every day, every day in every session,
Oh,
right?
okay, okay, fine. I will teach you many new words. Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, before starting this, Mom, I would like to discuss on this simple past tense for
Okay.
some time, for 3-4 minutes, okay? Then after we will start our session.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, please explain.
Okay. Simple past.
Simple
Okay.
past, yes.
The form of the words for the form of the tense is verb plus ed. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
a verb that means play. To play.
yes.
Play plus ed. Played. I
Played,
played.
played.
It's
Yes.
simple. Work. I worked. So simple past.
Yes, yes, understood. Yes, I would like to make sentences, some sentences. Yes, I watched your videos on YouTube.
I watch your videos on YouTube. Yes.
Videos on YouTube. Yes, yes. I attended your sessions. I
Yes.
attended your sessions, and I attended your class.
Mhm.
Right.
Yes.
Yes. Then after, yes. Yes. 3 months ago, I subscribed Clappingo first time.
Mhm.
Subscribed. Right.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
And anymore. Yes. Last year I didn't take any resolution.
I did not take any resolution,
Didn't take. Yes, did not take, didn't take.
but it doesn't have the ed version.
I didn't take. Yes, this is negative. Simple past, negative sentence of simple past.
It is actually simple past. Okay. Okay.
No,
Continue.
no, no. If whenever we are talking about negative sentence, we have to use did in simple past, right? And with did,
Yes.
if you want to make negative sentence, okay. So did not, we have to use did not.
Mhm. Mhm.
Right?
Okay.
Yes, 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 yes. So last year I didn't take any resolution.
Mhm.
But this year, okay, in this first
Mhm.
first of January, I took new resolution,
Mhm. Mhm.
right?
Okay. Yes. Very well. You can speak these simple sentences.
Yes, 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 yes.
They aren't too difficult for you. In fact,
No, no, no.
trust me, all of you will know tenses better than me when it comes to the structure because you are continuously memorizing the rules. But as
Exactly.
for me, it has been so many years.
No, no, no. Exactly,
So,
ma'am. Because see,
yeah.
I saw so many classes. Okay, people are taking spoken English classes. Okay, there people are teaching, basically we have to learn tenses, right? And then after
Mhm.
we have to communicate with someone.
Mhm.
So yes, I know I learned lots of tenses. Okay, I know the definition and all things about tenses and about preposition, conjunction, and all things. Okay, but while talking, I'm making mistakes. So I want to recover all those mistakes. So that's why I'm before you. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
Okay. For me, it's the opposite. I will speak the correct tense, but not
yes.
necessarily I know all the
Exactly.
explanation.
Exactly. I
I know.
understood. I understood. I understood.
Yeah.
If mom, do you know, if someone will ask me, okay, if someone will ask me, teach me tenses, okay, teach me grammar. So, do you know, mom, how can I teach? Okay, perfectly. I know. But I can speak also, but making some mistakes. So I need to cover all mistakes, right? And did I tell you, mom, I want to become spoken English teacher?
Yes, you had. I think you had like before. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. So that's why I'm working on that path. Okay.
Mm.
Yes. If anyone comes to me, so definitely. And if that person will ask me, teach me tenses, okay, and teach me some grammar. So definitely, do you know, without book, without any copy, I can teach them. Right, right.
That's very well. Me, sometimes I do refer to the books when it comes to making people understand the exact explanation. Why? Because, it gets stuck in their mind and I don't want it to be wrong. Plus, the other thing, it's been really many, many years I've just used this. So I am very good at
Yes, yes,
explaining tenses in French, actually, because I'm
yes, yes,
just
I know.
learning the language.
Yes,
But
yes.
when it comes to spoken English, I feel like my forte is something else. It's not necessarily grammar.
Yes, yes, I
I
can
speak
understand,
correct,
ma'am.
but
See,
not
you are
necessarily.
speaking here, yes, before you, but I, yes, you know, ma'am, I'm also teacher, so that's why I'm teaching to my children. Yes,
I'm
I'm teaching
teaching
to my
my
children.
children.
So, yes, 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 I'm teaching my children, so that's why because of that also I know. But this I wanted to repeat despite of.
Mhm.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am. We can start our session now.
Okay,
Session
very
means
well.
our document. Yes, a document. So today's document is that irrational fear.
Yes, yes, yes. Have you prepared for it?
I read about irrational fear in document. Okay, so you can ask whatever. Then after I will give you answer.
Thereafter, I will answer.
Thereafter, yes, thereafter I will give you answer.
Okay, so tell me, what are your irrational fears? Some of your
I think,
irrational fears.
mom, I don't have any fear. I think so.
Really?
Really. And sometimes,
Ghosts?
yes, I'm scared of ghost. Okay, if suddenly electricity had gone, uh, suddenly if electricity goes,
If
okay,
there's a power
so
cut?
there is a power cut. Yes, you told me in last session, but I forgot. Sorry. Yes, if there is a power cut, so definitely I will feel scared at that time. Okay, but rather than I don't have any irrational fear within me.
Wow, that you then you must be really brave, because I'm scared of so many things. You have, okay, you're not even scared of like insects, or
No,
you're not scared of heights. You're not
no, no,
scared
no,
of.
no, 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 that much. Actually, yes, ma'am. See, my brother, okay, my brother is scared of snakes. Okay, I have that particular word for that snake. Ophidiophobia. So my brother has this fear. Okay, fear of snake. My brother has. But yes, I can say yes. I also fear to snake. Okay, I'm also scared when I see a
I'm
snake.
also frightened by snakes.
Yes, I also frightened by snake. But not that much like my brother. Okay,
Mm-mm.
not like that much. So that's why I can say I don't have fear. That fear I don't have. And one of my masis, yes, she has a fear of hydrophobia. Means she has hydrophobia, fear of water.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Mm-hmm.
last some months back, okay, we went in water park. There is near
We
to our,
went to a water park.
yes, water park. We went there.
We went
Uh,
to.
we went to water park. Yes, we went to water park, and there was swimming pool. Okay, and do you know, I was with the I was fearless there. Okay, but my masi, she could not jump, not jump, okay, not about jump, but she could not, yes, she could not jump inside the water. She could not, she wouldn't wanted to go inside the water. She wouldn't wanted to go inside
She
the water.
didn't, or she wasn't able to.
Oh yes, she wasn't able
She
to,
wouldn't wanted to.
yes,
We
and
don't
she
say.
didn't go. Yes, she didn't go into the water, but I was like swimming in the water. I don't know how to swim, okay, but just like I was pretending like swimming, okay. So I was swimming in the water, and I was enjoying a lot. Some of my friends also, they were also enjoying with me. But my Masi has that hydrophobia. Because of that, she didn't come in the water. So it is also a
Wow.
irrational fear, right? And then at that
Yes,
time
yes,
she
it is
told me,
also
yes, she suggested me,
actually,
ma'am, you should
actually,
learn
it's not,
swimming.
it's not really an irrational fear. Mhm.
Okay. Yes,
Because
yes, ma'am.
it's more, it's not that it's like a useless or like a stupid fear, it's a sort of genuine, but okay, it is one of the fears.
Yes, one of the fears. Yes, yes. We can count in irrational fear, right?
We can call it a rational fear because it does involve a reason,
Right.
or maybe she doesn't know the reason. Actually, I'm not sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So she suggested me I should learn swimming. I should
Mhm.
learn swim. Yes, she suggested me when she saw how how I was playing in water and I was enjoying that trip. So she suggested me. So yes, when I saw she was totally afraid of water. She had means not that time also. She has now also hydrophobia. She's totally scared of
Mm.
water.
Wow. Well, it's strange. I don't know. Do you think that people can overcome these fears?
Yes, people can overcome from this fear. Yes, definitely people can.
Okay, since you are so courageous and you barely have any fears, what are some really risky things or adventurous things that you really want to try?
Yes, yes, I want to try. Yes, ma'am, do you know about the dive?
Uh, yeah, scuba diving,
Yeah, scuba diving. I think yes, proper word for that is dive. Yes, I think dive. And do you know if you
cliff
want to
diving,
jump? Yes, 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 yes. If you want to jump from aeroplane or plane, okay, there will be rope. Okay, there will be rope. But
paragliding.
if you yes, in that movie I saw there. मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. You will love. ये मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ. There Hrithik Roshan and Kareena Kapoor dive, and in another movie also which I don't remember right now. But in that movie also I saw dive. So I felt at that time I felt when I was watching movie, I felt when I will do this thing. And another thing also, I
When
would
will
like
I
to
do this thing?
yes, when I will do this thing.
When
And
will I do this thing?
when will I? Yes, when will I do this thing? And then after also second I would like to do second thing that I would like to travel in that hot air balloon. Hot
Mm-hmm,
air balloon. Yes,
mm-hmm.
and I searched then. I searched and I discussed with my husband. Definitely next tour or in next visit we will go to Lonavala. There is that hot air balloon ride. Yes, there is a hot air balloon ride, and I saw some pictures and videos. So I felt wow, I would like to go there.
Oh, you should also see the hot air balloons in Turkey. You
Turkey.
will,
Okay.
yes, you will absolutely love it because it's like the most famous for hot air balloons. I forgot the name of the place. Cappadocia.
Okay.
Cappadocia. Okay.
But ma'am, for that we have to go out of India.
No, just see the pictures. Just see the
Okay.
pictures.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just to know how it is. Don't worry. It's not like somebody will tell me, go here, Jill, and I can go. I don't go.
No, Lonavala is far, not far away from our place.
Yes,
Means
yes,
from
yes.
it is in Maharashtra. Okay, it is not far away from Nagpur. Means, yes, it is far away, but not that much. Not that much. We can go there, but to Turkey, it is a little bit difficult to go now.
No, no, just search for the name Cappadocia and
Okay, Cappadocia.
excuse
Okay,
my pronunciation if it's not the one.
okay, definitely. I will
But
search.
try to check this. Okay.
Yes, 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 definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
Before moving to the next question, I will give you one word for today so that I
Yes, please.
don't miss out. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
You can use this word reticent. When you,
Reticent.
yeah, when you
Okay,
want to say I'm a little reserved or I'm a
okay,
little hesitant to say this. I'm
okay.
reticent, you say.
Reticent. Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am, please make a one sentence.
Um, okay. people often ask me to express my love for somebody, but I'm reticent.
Okay, I'm reticent.
Means I'm a bit
Ma'am,
reserved. Hmm?
okay, I'm reserved. Ma'am, could you explain me, please, again? Then I
Yes,
after I make sentence.
sure. Reticent means when you're a little reserved, when you try to hide few of your feelings, you don't express completely.
Okay, okay,
Completely.
okay.
When you're a
Okay.
little, it's a mix of fear also. You're a bit
Right.
fearful. So
Right.
that you say,
That.
I'm reticent.
Okay.
She
Okay.
was
That
reticent.